fuck is a dragon sheet? What is a dragon sheet? I want to know. Inquiring minds want to know. What is a dragon sheet? Alright, so since I've lost every match with Akuma tonight so far, I decided to pick him again so I can get raped again when my moves don't come out. Here we go. I'm getting nice and cozy for nothing to work. Here we go.
Are you ready? Fight! There it is, the first hit.
This guy's getting fucking owned. Ownage. Look at that sexy Akuma chest all ripped and coming out of his shirt. It's amazing.
Fight! There it is, the first hit. This ought to settle loose the trunk as much as well.
Why am I missing twice in a fucking row? I just go right through his body. Didn't do that. No fireball, excellent. Now I'm dead. You scrub. That's right, stand there like a fucking deer in headlights and just eat the fucking fireball, you scrub. Don't even try to get away, you can't. I'm too good. That's right, punch the ground. Look for bugs. You're gonna eat bugs like Hakuna Matata shit.